So right now we are looking at the plantation homes, and you've got double story, single story. They all look fairly big and similar. I like them, they look nice. That looks nice, I love that one, look at that. I wonder how high the ceiling is though. They look so gorgeous in real life. This is a beautiful house, imagine. No, I don't even need a review. Pantry around here is the butler's pantry. Walk into the walk-in wardrobe, and yes, this is what I'm talking about. I could like live here, literally. I mean, I don't want to live in front of a swamp and a 5G mast, but I could literally live here. Like, take this house somewhere else, I could do it. So when you're feeling victorious and you feel like Roman Caesar, Caesar Roma, I can't remember his name. We're going to check out the Emperor in Plantation Homes. Let's check it out.
So you can actually buy this.
Yeah, you can build it.
Okay, look, there it is, 16 meters.
Yes.
40 squares avenue, all right?
Love it. Facade is the avenue.
Stairs are nice.
Oh, look at this, Ash. I love it. It's nice, isn't it? Beautiful stairs. So let's come and take a look. So right in here, we've got a small study room. This is a beautiful house. Imagine, just here you're doing the dishes. Yeah, I really like this. And look, they've got Smeg as well. Smeg appliances. If I can build my own house, I would definitely kit it out with Smeg appliances. Why would I not? Oh, just look at this gorgeous amount of dining room space that you've got, and looking onto the beautiful pool. You know, I don't even need a review if I've got this. Yeah. This house is spectacular, isn't it? Yeah. This is like, if this was within my budget and cheaper, I would buy this house. Oh, it's gorgeous. Pantry is, oh my God. This house is beautiful. I don't know how many square feet this is. This is just
40
perfect.
squares.
Oh, okay, it's nice, I like it. So pantry around here is the butler's pantry. And when you need that kind of stock up of food because everyone's rushing out, panic buying, this is exactly what you got. Put your drinks, salsa, macaroni, spaghetti, and you got so much storage space, as well as a gorgeous double fronted fridge that doesn't open. It's fake, it's okay, but you get free air conditioning worth up to 30,000. The flooring is such easy, low maintenance. It's a smaller house, but actually it's so livable. This is such a good living space.
The one 70 Sundance.
It is actually, isn't it? And what's nice about this is the pool is actually a decent width and a length. Very often you'll have pools that are tiny and you can't swim there. I would quite happily swim here. There's private, feels nice, it's safe, and you've got a gorgeous outdoor entertaining area, fantastic barbecue area, and a small yard so you can play catch with your doggy. Look at that, and you have the kids just cycling along here, looking out onto your Emperor's magnificent building. Wow, gorgeous. I'm just gonna go up these Emperor stairs because I'm feeling like an emperor. La la la, my beautiful glass. Just don't look up, naughty, naughty. Oh my goodness, when you come up here, you're greeted with an rumpus, is what they like to call it in Australia, which is a lounge area for the family. You can chill here and watch movies at night. This is actually really nice. I really like this house, Ash. What have we got? We've got a bedroom in here. Come, let's take a look. Double bedroom. Now, there aren't any wardrobes here unless there is a here we go, walk-in wardrobe. Okay, nice for the children, fairly small, but it's still a decent size. Better than other houses I have seen on the market.
Bathroom.
Oh, I never, I was to keep that to last, babe. Look at this bathroom. You've got a bathtub, a decent sized bathroom. Now, I've seen some pretty shocking bathtubs, but you could quite easily fit in here, have a soak, relax, have a shower afterwards. You can even design the shower room so you've got two heads and you've got two vanities, and they look gorgeous. Let's go into this bedroom here. This is the second double bedroom, and here you have a decent sized walk-in wardrobe. Again, very nice, very clean, nice clean aesthetic. You've got ducted air conditioning, got yes, you've got high ceilings, nice lamps. And let's take a look inside here. This is probably the linen cupboard. Yeah, wonderful. You've got plenty of space there for your linen. Oh my goodness, what more could you want? Now taking you into the master bedroom, let's take a little look.
Squeaky.
It is a bit squeaky. This is the master bedroom. Now I have to say, for a master bedroom, this probably isn't that big, but you know what? What do you need in a master bedroom? Just a bed and a cupboard, which is what you've got. I would say that all of these bedrooms look about the same size. If not, this one's just slightly bigger. Not bad, you know what? At the end of the day, you're not really gonna spend much time here, are you? Sleeping. But actually, we've got some more. Come. Now, you've got the 3 kids' bedrooms over here. I might be mistaken, but the master bedroom looks like it's here. Lord, look at this. Look at this. This is what dreams are made of, okay? So the parents, they are the emperors of the house. They have a beautiful freestanding bathtub. They have a gorgeous separate toilet, so when the hubby and the wife need to do their thing separately. And they've also got a 2-head shower. And what's better about this is you can actually just close this off and tell the kids to just go away. Let's take you into the master bedroom. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. You've got television, you've got beautiful Juliet balcony right over here. It looks gorgeous. You've got fantastic. This is an actual balcony. You can slide it open. You've got a beautiful balcony here. You can slide open the doors, take yourself outdoors, and maybe you might even want to get your small table and chairs, have a nice coffee in the morning, look at the world. You don't even need a river view. You could just literally look out into the forest, because when you want to feel like you need to get changed into your emperor's new clothes, walk into the walk-in wardrobe, and oh my God, this is a wardrobe. Men, women. There is literally a clear distinction between whose side is whose. Now, currently in my property, I don't have this, so this would be really, really nice.
I like this house.
This is the one. This is the one. I don't need to, and you know, you can just chill out here with your kids. You don't even have to use the downstairs area. You could just watch your movies here. But downstairs is like when you've got friends over. So here you have it, the Emperor's new home from Plantation Homes. How much would you pay for a home like this? On to the next one.
I like that one.
Well, look, they said, look, you can take here, you can say like, size, layout, style. This is a beautiful house. Imagine. You know, I don't even need a review. Pantry around here is the butler's pantry.
Yeah.
Walk into the walk-in wardrobe, and yes, this is what I'm talking about.